This is part 4 of 8 short videos in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series. In this video, we will talk about the range of treatments or indications that can be supported by Primescan 2.
Primescan 2 is a great gateway for you to expand your clinical capabilities. With one device, you can unlock a wide range of treatment options, streamline your workflow, and deliver excellent care with confidence. Whether it's diagnostics, restorations, or advanced digital workflows, Primescan 2 adapts to your needs today and as your practice grows. Primescan 2 supports a wide range of treatments, from restorations and aligners to guided surgery and sleep devices. You will get high accuracy and scan quality for various indications or materials. On this core, you can access a broad variety of workflows, services, and partners. You can easily send cases to your lab, which I will show you in a minute. You can send your cases to partners like SureSmile, Atlantis, Cplan, and the Score Create. And of course, you can also proceed to in-house manufacturing with CEREC system.
That wraps up our look to the different treatment possibilities of Primescan 2. In the next video, I will show you how to take a status scan with Primescan 2.